Alright, I gotta make an update video with the car pretty much out of the garage one day, but FD is finally done, man. I literally kid you not, this box came like this. So I pretty much went ahead and unboxed the rest of it, but luckily everything was still here. Alright, so pretty much I got a rear carpet for the FD because the one I have right now, that's just from the Soupy. It's messed up box out of here. Yeah, so this is just from the Subaru. I'm gonna put it back on it. But yeah, the whole trunk space just looks horrible. It's also super loud because you don't have any sound editing here. I added some, but you need an actual carpet to really quiet this down. This is actually pretty heavy. It's actually a super solid material. It smells like really good too. Yeah, this is one of the last pieces I needed for the interior though. It's just to really complete the car, make the car look complete, because without this, it just looks horrible. Plus you hear a lot more rattles, so this will definitely block it, especially with the weight of it. It's gonna definitely block some of the noise. Yeah, doesn't the car look different not being outside? Actually in the garage or something? So I finally have the bumper secured. Yeah, car is a complete car now, you know, motor works, car runs, car drives. Finally got the RDE on. It's super nice carbon. Pretty much if you're wondering how this is held on, the fender stops right here. So what I had to do is pretty much get an L bracket that goes from under the fender, the L's into this. So I'm running 3 L brackets, and that's how it's held up. I don't know if RE actually uses 3M tape under here, but that's what I'm gonna be doing, because it makes the most sense. It'll secure it, and plus it'll have like a foamy texture to it, so it won't be rattling, making noise. But it's super nice seeing the car with all white fenders. They're not paint matched, but who cares? This headlight works, but that one doesn't. They both get power, but the thing is, some gear in the actual motor is messed up, so it doesn't allow the light to actually rotate. So I'm pretty much thinking these are just going to be my straight up track wheels. In the meantime, I'm saving up money to get some actual wheels I want. These RPF ones are going to hold it down for now. The car has a lot of imperfections. I mean, clear coat there. I don't even know what happened there. It's just all scuffed up, especially the mirrors. These are getting replaced pretty soon with some AP1 mirrors, so I'll be happy for that. But the car ain't meant to be pretty. I'll do the best I can. But this thing is pretty much gonna be a track monster. Let me get this out of here. Okay, that's how the car sits with the exhaust. It's the Pexi single exit. I'm loving it. Pretty much once I get the car tinted, I'll have them remove the tint. I want to get a new steering wheel. Looking at options, I'm looking at Say-Belt steering wheels or Sparco steering wheels. Trying to be kind of cost effective because it's just a steering wheel at the end of the day. Definitely in suede. I want to match this. I love suede. The reason being is because this seat angles up, which forces you into the steering wheel. And this steering wheel isn't adjustable. It's in a fixed position. So look how large it is too. That's why the steering wheel needs to go, man. Also, Eric, if you watch this video, shout out to you, dude. Love these stickers. You always post them. I finally got mine. Glad you're making these. I gotta rock them on the FD. Gotta pick a spot where to put this on this car. So Gotta have earplugs in this thing because this thing is insanely loud. But that's my little mini update, the FD. It's a pretty good update. I mean, look, at this point and on, the car is good. I took it 2 meets already. Car's good to go.